More than just a defamation lawsuit between two K-pop superstars and a notorious YouTuber, the legal battle between BTS's V and Jungkook and Sojang reveals a deeper question. How is freedom of speech on platforms like YouTube being abused to spread falsehoods and violate privacy? When idols refuse to stay silent. On July 21, the court-mediated settlement meeting between BTS members V and Jungkook and controversial YouTuber Sojang ended in failure at the Seoul Western District Court. The session, which lasted nearly an hour, yielded no agreement, signaling that the defamation lawsuit, which began earlier this year, will now proceed to a full trial, likely more intense and unpredictable. This case has captured widespread attention, not just because of the names involved, but because of the principle it challenges. BTS, known for their professionalism and quiet dignity, rarely take legal action against individuals directly. But this time, V and Jungkook didn't just act, they pursued the matter aggressively. Their move speaks volumes about the gravity of the situation, which they say involves deliberate fabrication, malicious defamation, and systematic privacy violations. 23 videos, 1 year 8 months, and 76 million KRW in damages. According to court documents, Sojang, who runs the YouTube channel Taehyung Camp, uploaded 23 videos between October 2021 and June 2023. These videos contained unverified claims, baseless speculations, and damaging content targeting V and Jungkook. Although the duo initially sought 90 million South Korean won in damages, about $63,000, the court ruled in their favor in February 2025 but adjusted the final amount to 76 million South Korean won, $53,000. The reduction was made on the basis that Sojang was a first-time offender and had expressed remorse. But the legal journey is far from over. With the court declaring mediation failed, the lawsuit will continue in court, potentially leading to more serious consequences for Sojang, both legally and reputationally. The algorithm's shadow, when drama becomes a business model. This is not merely a dispute between celebrities and an irresponsible content creator, it's a case study in how digital platforms can inadvertently reward toxicity. Professor Taehyung, a digital media expert from Sojang University, explains. Controversial and sensational content tends to be promoted by YouTube's algorithm because it retains viewer attention. This dynamic incentivizes channels like Sojang's to thrive, even at the expense of truth and decency. Indeed, Sojang is not an isolated case. She has previously lost lawsuits filed by other K-pop figures, including IVE's Jang Won-young and former 101 member Kang Daniel. Yet, her viewership continued to grow during the peak of her smear campaign. Some estimates suggest that her ad revenue may have reached tens of thousands of dollars per month during that period. This isn't just about individual behavior, it's about a toxic ecosystem. When drama equals profit, the line between news and gossip dissolves. Not just a matter of reputation, but mental health. For V and Jungkook, this lawsuit isn't just about protecting their public image, it's about defending their mental well-being. In a recent interview, V candidly shared, "We're human too. There were days when I couldn't even look at the comments or leave the house, just because of a rumor that wasn't true." According to a 2023 report by the Korean Mental Health Institute, over 45% of entertainers showed symptoms of anxiety disorders linked to malicious rumors and online hate. In extreme cases, it has led to severe depression or suicide. As one of the most connected countries in the world, South Korea is also battling a silent epidemic, digital hate and anonymous defamation. The BTS lawsuit is not an isolated incident, it is part of a growing alarm about how unchecked social media can deeply wound real lives. A powerful precedent, when celebrities push back. In a landscape where many stars choose silence or private settlements, V and Jungkook's public and persistent legal approach sets a new precedent. Their lawsuit sends a clear message: public figures are no longer easy targets for individuals exploiting their privacy for profit. It also puts pressure on platforms like YouTube to rethink their role. Is it time to introduce stricter accountability for harmful content creators? Conclusion: free speech does not mean free lies. Freedom of speech is essential in any democratic society. But when it's weaponized to harm others, especially under the guise of commentary or opinion, it stops being a right and becomes a tool of destruction. The legal battle between Jungkook and Sojang is helping redefine the delicate boundary between expression and responsibility. While the final ruling is yet to come, one thing is clear: the backlash against toxic content has begun. And in this wave of accountability, celebrities, once seen as helpless victims, are now emerging as the ones rewriting the rules of the game. What was supposed to be a step toward resolution became a symbol of something much bigger, a culture where fame, algorithms, and falsehoods collide with real-world consequences. On July 21st, at Seoul Western District Court, a mediation session between BTS members Kim Taehyung and Jungkook, and YouTuber Sojang ended without agreement. The court declared mediation failed, meaning the 90 million South Korean won, approximately $63,000, defamation lawsuit filed by the BTS duo will now proceed to full trial. At the heart of this lawsuit lies more than just a few viral videos. This is a story about digital defamation, unchecked content creation, and the bold stance of two of the world's most famous idols who are saying enough is enough. What happened in court? According to Korean media outlet Star Today, and Jungkook's legal representatives appeared at the court on July 21 at 9:40 a.m. KST to participate in a court-mandated discussion with Sojang, operator of the Taehyung Camp YouTube channel. This mediation effort followed a June 16 decision to explore a resolution outside of a full trial. But the court's attempt at reconciliation fell flat. The two sides were unable to find common ground, reportedly due to Sojang's unwillingness to accept full responsibility and the BTS members' insistence on a formal, public correction. Now, with mediation off the table, the lawsuit will proceed to the next phase, possibly with stronger consequences for Sojang, whose legal history already includes losses in defamation cases involving IVE's Jang Won-young and former 101 member Kang Daniel. Behind the lawsuit, a years-long campaign of online attacks. The origin of this legal battle dates back to January 2025, when and Jungkook jointly sued Sojang, seeking 90 million South Korean won in damages. Their legal filing revealed that Sojang had posted 23 videos over a period of nearly 2 years, from October 2021 to June 2023, spreading false claims, fabrications, and personal attacks. In February 2025, the Seoul Western District Court initially ruled in favor of the BTS members and ordered Sojang to pay 76 million South Korean won, $53,000. Citing the serious nature of the content but taking into account Sojang's first-time offender status and supposed remorse. However, with no meaningful resolution during the mediation process, the court's leniency may be reconsidered in future hearings. Why this case is different: BTS is fighting back, publicly. While many celebrities settle such matters quietly or delegate them to their agencies, and Jungkook's direct legal action, and insistence on public correction, marks a turning point. This isn't just about protecting their image. It's about confronting a dangerous trend on platforms like YouTube, where sensationalism is monetized and content creators often profit off of character assassination. When rumors spread at scale, especially involving global celebrities, the damage is not just reputational, it's psychological, economic, and even physical, said media ethics professor Lee Kyung-min from Korea University. This lawsuit is a warning shot to content creators who confuse freedom of speech with freedom to defame.